So first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Princess Sito, and I am the English student, or I am a student here in Pasig Catholic College. Currently taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. And we invited you to conduct this interview about our research about challenges encountered in the second year Bachelor of Education in majors of Pasig Catholic College using English as a medium of instructions. So now we're going to the first part of the interview, which is about linguistic challenges in using English as a medium of instruction. So first part will be about the academic writing. So number one, can you describe your experiences in writing academic papers in English? So what the specific difficulties do you encounter when expressing your ideas in English writing? And how does your knowledge in Filipino language affects the way you write English language? And this will be the second part of the first interview question about oral presentation. When you are required to give an oral presentation what challenges do you usually experience while presenting using English language in front of the this coming question will be about the presentation. How comfortable are you reciting or answering questions using the English language during the class discussion? This is about your comfort level when reciting or answering questions using English language during your class discussion. So what usually goes through your mind when the teacher asks a question in English language? And what factors make you hesitant or willing to participate in presentation using English language? So we're going to proceed to the second part of the interview, which is about the influence of English on classroom interaction and the use of English language as a medium of instruction affect your participation in science? So can you describe the situations where using English language encourage or discourage you from participating? So how does the teacher's influence, the teacher's fluency in English language impact your willingness to speak and share ideas? So this will be the third part of the interview, which is the last one. This is about your coping strategies and adaptation. So number one, how do you cope with the difficulties of using English language in your classroom? And how do you prepare for oral presentation or recitation that conduct using English language? And how does the code switching help you understand lessons or express your interests? So it does helps you to understand lessons. And who or what helps you most in overcoming your difficulties in using English? Example, peers, teachers, or self-study. Who do you think or what helps you most to overcome those difficulties? And can you describe the changes in your confidence or skills in using English over time? Like, is there any changes to your confidence as of now in your So this will be the last question. What advice would you give to other teenagers who struggle using English language to those subjects that use English as a medium of instruction? So thank you so much, Miss, for achieving our